Hello guys, how are you? So today we're going to celebrate late Valentine's Day. I know it's been a week, but we are so busy that day. We were so busy. I was working and then also the restaurant that we wanna eat to, I fully reserved na siya. Ang buhay dito sa USA, sobrang busy. So, kahit na gusto mong i-celebrate yung exact date na gusto mo for your family, hindi mo siya magagawa. Ganon ka busy ang life dito. But may mga days naman na magagawa mo rin, but usually hindi. So, less ang mga holidays namin dito. Especially if you're working in nursing sa hospital, meron silang mga routine or mga scheduled holidays para lahat mag-share sa mga holiday work. So anyway, dito sa French restaurant na kinainan namin, medyo pricey siya. First time namin dito. So itatry lang namin. And experience is okay. Yung aming server is hindi niya sinabi sa amin yung mga specials nila. So hindi namin na-order yung mga specials. Yung food is okay. Mas gusto pa rin namin yung restaurant or yung food doon sa downtown na pinupuntahan namin. Yung escargot na kinain namin is not the escargot na ini-expect ko. So, babalik ba kami dito? I don't know. And then also guys, I wanna share with you, may nagtanong bakit may tatlong job ako. So, currently, I'm still working full-time job sa luma kong hospital job. And then, before that, nag-apply ako sa isang hospital na mas for better opportunity. Bakit ako nag-apply? Kasi may pension sila and that's free money for me. So, that's why I chose to move to a different hospital and hindi pa ako nakakaalis dito sa isang job ko, which is finally soon, I'm gonna leave. But still PRN. But then also I'm still working in a rehab orientation, so that's why I ended up with 3 jobs. And did you know our job, the new hospital job, they're hiring nurses all over the world and sagot daw nila lahat ng mga expenses, even the NCLEX. Must be nice, right?